Tammy's got a channel. On YouTube she shines. The Fake Bake Diaries, crafting in her own sweet time. She'll show you how to make fake ice cream that glows, giant gumdrops and cotton candy, whimsical treats she knows. Grab your scissors, get your glue. The crafting's just begun with a sprinkle of imagination.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the Fake Bake Diaries. I'm Tammy, and today I'll be talking about flocking. When you're at Hobby Lobby or Walmart or Michael's, have you ever seen those super soft velvety characters? Sometimes they're bunnies, sometimes they're nutcrackers. I have always wanted to try flocking, but it was never in the stores. I finally found some at Michael's. I found these at Hobby Lobby. So now's the time to learn all about flocking. So let's get to it.
This is flocking fiber. I found these at Hobby Lobby. They've been out at Hobby Lobby for a little while now. There are different colors to choose from. They have white, black, light pink, dark pink, green, blue. When you purchase these, you also need to purchase the flocker. You'll find it hanging right around all of the flocking fiber. The instructions for how to flock are not with the flocking itself, it's with the flocker in the bag. This is what they have at Hobby Lobby. At Michael's, you can get this from Folk Art, and it comes in a bunch of colors as well. So if you don't find the color you're looking for at Hobby Lobby, look at Michael's or vice versa. The process is the same for both of them. The one from Folk Art does not have a flocker with it. You will still need to purchase a flocker. Today, I'm going to use the light pink flocking from Hobby Lobby. To prepare for flocking, I have laid down some wax paper to protect my table. I also have this container. The container that I'm using is higher than the height of the project that I'm going to use. That's so that the flock doesn't go all over the place. I'm also using wax paper inside to make it easier to lift the excess flock out and dump it back into my container. I don't want to waste anything. So put that aside. Today I'm going to flock this pumpkin. It's a styrofoam pumpkin from the dollar store. Off screen, I painted this one with a pink that matches up with a pink flocking. Whatever color of flocking you are using, you first paint the base of whatever you are flocking. So this has already been dried. Next, I have my tacky glue.
Let your creativity shine in our candy land. It's whimsical and divine. Sugar rush sweetness, oh, it makes you feel.
And this is my flocker. One end has holes in it, the other end does not. It's almost like a telescope. When you pump it, you can feel the air coming out of it. So you take it apart.
I swore no more glue, no more strings. I said I'm done with tiny things. Said no more buttons, no more beads.
That flock, that's a gorgeous color. You place the flock in the side with the holes in it. I'm using my bin so I don't get flock all over the place.
Can't stop crafting, no way. Every time I swear I stray. Crafty heart.
When you pour it in, it will come out the bottom. There's lots of flock in there. Put the two back together. When you push it, it gives puffs of flock. So now I'll take my pumpkin, put on my tacky glue. You need a glue that's nice and sticky.
Lock me in the craft room just for a day. Fake Bake Diaries gonna take me away.
I've been pretty generous with the glue. The reason I put the flocking in the bottom before I started anything is because there's glue on the bottom of my pumpkin and I can sit him down here. Now I take my flocker, and you want to be very generous.
What else can she do? She loves them dearly, but her mind's in a spin. Crafting self-care, time for her to begin. Lock me in my craft room just for a day. Fake Bake Diaries gonna take me away. Take me away.
Try not to miss a spot like I did.
Need a little silence.
So far, this is looking really cute. This is the area that I missed with the glue. If you miss areas with your glue, it won't look as nice and smooth as it does here. For my project, I can move this to the back and you won't even notice, but it depends on what you're doing. I'm going to let this glue dry overnight and then we'll come back and finish it. This is dried overnight. With your flocker, you get a soft brush. After your glue has dried, take your soft brush and brush off any excess.
About her projects to everyone she meets. Paper, glue, and cutouts fill her heart with beats. She's the crafting queen, everything handmade in a world unseen where dreams never fade. Sewing in the sunlight, knitting through.
This is looking really good and it's super soft. Now that the excess is brushed off, I can see places that I missed with the glue. So the most important thing is to make sure that you've covered every area with a good amount of adhesive. You don't want your adhesive dripping, but you want it thick enough to attach everything. I'm going to take a small paintbrush and fill in this area. It is looking really good. I absolutely love it. And it's so soft. And now all of this flock at the bottom, I will save it and pour it back into here. I've barely used any flocking at all. These I purchased from Dollarama last year. They're great for Halloween. There's little bats, pumpkin, that's an owl, bones. For example, you can use the black flocking on the bat. That would be super cute. You could have a hot pink bat would look really cute as well. Nice orange flocked pumpkin. My plan today was to go outside and spray all of these plasticky acrylic bats and spiders and bones with this primer because it will bond to plastics. After that, I was planning on painting them in the base colors that match the flocking color I plan to use. Unfortunately, it's raining. I hope you give flocking a try. There's so many different applications where you can use it. I think it's one of those techniques that will add another layer of charm to your whimsical creations.
Sugar rush.